Since 1993, Vox Singing Academy, Melbourne, Australia has prided itself on giving the best quality singing tuition possible, whether that be online or in studio. Hi, I'm Peter Vox, and when I came back from living in the United States in 1993, I found that there was a huge hole in the singing tuition market for quality singing teachers that not only taught singers how to sing, but also taught the other aspects involved in becoming a live performance singer in front of an audience, whether that be large or small. Guaranteeing that you will hear and feel results in just 3 weeks. Develop vocal confidence, range, breathing, pitch, tone, stamina, strength, technique, control, stage presentation, and much, much more. So click the link and let Vox Singing Academy improve your singing.
Vox!